Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, friends, we have many openings to discuss in this video from HCL, Deloitte, and Zoho for the freshers, 0 years of experience. So, we will discuss that in full. Some of them have deadlines too, so it is very important. You should know at the earliest and apply it at the earliest. Okay. So before that, if you're very new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and activating the bell icon as well to get the notifications at the right time. Okay, so first let me start with the HCL one. So HCL is hiring freshers, okay, 0 to 2 years of experience criteria under the package of 3.5 to 4.75 LPAs. Okay, and location is Gurgan. They are accepting large number of applications. I think the requirement is much more, like many of them. And the skills requirement, you can see technical skill, they want you to have good understanding of web concepts and development technologies, online marketing capabilities, using tools for debugging. Okay, so these are the technical skill. So I guess most of the graduates will be having that technical skill when it comes to this qualification criteria, that is BTech, BCA, and BSc. Okay, so you will be having, if you are into computer science field, then you might have learned something, right? So you will be gaining this technical skill. Then communication, English speaking and writing skill is required. Customer service skill is required. Customer oriented, self motivated, ability to handle revenue impacting situations, ability to work with individuals, companies, and larger clients. Okay, so these are the complete skill set that is happening. I mean, that is what they want you to have in this HCL opening. Now, the responsibilities, you can see troubleshoot HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, code implementation, troubleshoot request and add serving issues, provide email and chat support in the English. Okay, so this is a complete detail. So you can apply in this log. You can either log in to apply or register and apply. So if you have already a profile under Naukri, because this opening have been there in Naukri. Okay, it's in Naukri. So if you have a profile, then you can just log in. Okay, so that profile, with your profile you can apply. If you don't have a profile, you can click on to register and apply, and you can start with it. Okay, you can do with it. And if you don't want to get through this, then you can click on to this apply without registration. Okay, so that's also possible. You can give all these details and apply. Okay, resume, your details, everything is what required. So I hope all the details are pretty much clear to you. So just go through this and you can apply. And there is no batch criteria, so the recent trending batches can definitely apply, like 2022 1, 2022 and all. So you can try applying to this job. Okay, so next job opening we'll be discussing about is from Deloitte. So Deloitte is hiring consultant. Okay, so they're hiring consultant, and in the qualification criteria you can see, I mean, the required eligibility criteria, that is BTech, MBA, and MCA is the qualification graduation criteria. And 0 to 2 years of experience is optional. That means if you're a fresher, they are ready to accept you. If you have experience like, say, up to 2 years, then also they're ready to accept you. So this is a very good opportunity for freshers because you will be getting a lot of exposure, right? That's how it works. And preferred key skills required. Okay, so these are the key skills. You can see you should have some interpersonal skill, and Microsoft products like Excel is what they're looking, and some SQL skills will be preferred. So only these kind of a couple of skills is what is required in here. Okay, so you must be an individual contributor, good team player, then you must be able to prioritize tasks is what they want you to have, then Microsoft skill, strong analytical thinking, and in case if you know the usage of SAM tool, SCCM, Flexera, and Snow, then that will be preferred. Okay, that means it is under preferred condition only. I mean, preferred qualification criteria only if you have, well and good. Okay, knowledge around software licensing for the vendors, that is also preferred qualification, and good knowledge of operating system, servers, hardware environment, software licensing, etc. is preferred. Okay, so if you have those skills, well and good. So this is having qualification criteria, right? Graduation criteria is there, BTech, MBA, and MCA, but no batch criteria. So the recent trending batches you can apply. And also no specialization criteria, and also there is no great list of technical skill. You must be knowing that programming, you must be knowing this, nothing like that. Okay, so many of you who's not much into coding can definitely make use of this opportunity. Okay, so the starting consultant CTC for the freshers in Deloitte starts around 5 plus LPS, so somewhere you can get around that, because this is open for 0 to 2 years of experience. So freshers will be under one package list and experience will be under one package list. Okay, so to apply for that, you can click on to this apply now button, and you need to log in to Deloitte career section, and you can submit your application. Okay, so your resume is required, personal information need to be filled. If you have work experience, you can give that. So this is how you fill your details and submit to it. Okay, so once you submit, just keep an eye on the mail. You will receive mail on the further selection process. Okay, so I hope this details is also pretty much clear. Now let's move on to the other opening in Soho as software developers and content writers. Okay, so this is for 2018 to 2020 second pass out. So anyone between this can apply, and total years of experience is 0 to 4 years. Okay, so freshers still 4 years of people you can apply to this. Last day is on May 18th, so almost you have a week of time. So think about it and apply. Okay, now as a software developer, these are the job descriptions. Okay, so two openings are there in here, and content writer, these are the details. Okay, so if you are ready to do all those things, then you can apply. That's what they mean. So this is only the qualification criteria, as in here you can see. All other things is the skills. Okay, that is as a software developer, you must be knowing like design and develop high volume low latency applications, then contribute in all phases of product development lifecycle, write well designed testable and efficient code, ensure design are in compliance with specification, prepare and produce releases of software components, support continuous improvement by investing alternatives and technologies. Then these are about software developer. Okay, and next is content writer, that is create and publish SEO optimized, relevant, original, and compelling content. Contribute to creating rich content resources. Choose the best channels to promote the content. Measure and analyze content's effectiveness with metrics to improve the quality of the content and implement insights in future. Okay, so these are the two openings and the two job description. So in case if you can do that, if you are a batch who have passed out in between 2018 and 2022, if you have the experience criteria like fresher or up to 4 years of experience, then you can apply. There is no batch or branch criteria that is specially mentioned over here. So if you are ready to do the job description provided, then definitely you can apply. Okay, so this is the registration form. You can see degree, department, all the details are provided here. You can just select. Okay, select any of that. And expected CTC, that is for the freshers. Okay, freshers you can, okay, you can give as by making the research and all, but it is mainly negotiable. I mean, CTC is much more negotiable where for the experienced people. Okay, so according to your experience, CTC may vary. They have mentioned 3 to 5 APAs, so maybe that can be the starting. And here all this is provided because that is with respect to the experienced people. Okay, and if you're working somewhere, you can give the notice period, and if you are not working, ready to join at any time, then you can put it as immediate and do it. Okay, and attach your resume and all, then after submit to it. So only few days left with the application process, so please do apply it at the earliest, and just see your mail for the further selection process. Okay, so I think this details, Soho details is also pretty much clear. So in case if you have any doubts regarding anything, okay, about what apart from things that I've mentioned in the video, let me know that in the comment section. I'll try to respond if it is to be answered for sure. And also suggestions regarding the video content, well welcomed in the comment section. So wishing you a happy day and let you start your career as you expected. Everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to online study for you.